so me, boy Richie Rich, again, we're just gonna discuss the parts for this particular appliance. So what happens when this particular Samsung range break? All right, what am I looking at to pay out of my pocket when it's time to repair it? If you listen to our videos prior, we already tell you appliances last about 5 to 10 years. All right, so just to say 5 to 10 years from now you have an issue, what are the common issues that normally goes bad on this electric ranges on this particular model? What am I looking at? What am I seeing? What am I willing to pay? What is it going to cost me to get this thing repaired? So one of the things that typically goes bad on electric ranges, especially the glass smooth top, which this is the glass smooth top, right? So there's times when you have to clean it constantly, right? According to the manufacturer, if you go into the owner's manual, we're going to discuss this in our later video about the features, about the functions. So we're going to teach you how to actually clean it. What's the best way to clean it? But if you scratched it, break it, damage it, what am I looking to pay for that glass cooktop? Remember, the appliance is about $1,400, $1,500 retail, no taxes. We just rounding it up. You're probably looking at about $260 online. That's no taxes. That's not a markup if you get it from an appliance repair company. This is just me looking at SearsPartsDirect.com just to look up the price of the parts. All right, so you're looking at about $260 just for that cooktop alone. So if it's like $260, labor you're looking at $150. My math is right. 260 plus 150 is how much? 410. I pray that my math teacher's not watching this. I think it's about 410. You know what I'm saying? We have smartphones. We don't have to really do math in our head anymore. That's olden days. But either way, you're looking at $410 10 years from now to replace that cooktop. All right, so you are going to get it fixed, right? Because it's not 75. It's not greater than 75% of the price of the appliance. All right, so it's about $1,500. So if you're spending $420, $430 for that cooktop to be repaired, you're gonna get it fixed because it's within the price range of getting it fixed. And we said go ahead and get that done. If it's broken and damaged, you're not able to use it. I know a lot of customers like to get stuff for cosmetic use. It's up to you as well. We're not going to hold your feet to the fire. Whatever it is that you want to do, you go ahead and do that yourself. You know what I mean? So that's cool as well. So you're looking at about $410. All right, another part that typically goes bad on this joint. Let's talk about the bake element or the heating element. This is a common issue for electric ranges and electric stoves. So if you're looking at the bake element, you're looking at about $75 for that bake element. All right. Again, these are prices, just me rounding it up. You actually going to the website, not paying any taxes, not paying any shipping. You're just going out there, just looking at the price for the part, and you just purchasing it yourself. For a company to come out, all right, $75, you're not paying $75 for somebody to come back and repair that. You might pay $150 for the part. It's a markup, all right? It's fine. This is what happens. This is what businesses do. You go to Target, you might get it for $10. You go to Walmart, you might get it for $9. Depends on where you at. Depends on what store is in the area. Depends on who you call. So that's exactly how it works. And no, there's no price matching in appliance repair companies. Good luck with that. All right. So again, you're looking at about $75 as far as the bake element, right? If you purchase the part yourself. If you want to do that, there's some companies that will come out and do that, and you just pay the labor, and then they'll warranty the labor for a certain period of time, but they would not cover that part because it's not their part. All right, so the price that I quoted you in the beginning about the cooktop, again, that's not markup. All right, that's just a straight price that I didn't give you, just an estimate, a roundabout figure. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to make sure we cover our bases, so you don't go around telling people that we say is $410 and they tell you it's $500. You mad? Don't get mad at us. I'm just telling you exactly what it is that goes on, and you just got to be careful. If you want to order the parts yourself, it's nothing wrong with doing that as well. All right. So the bake element, again, is $75. Now we have the range or the radiant surface element. All right. So you have different ones for different prices. If it's a single, which is the smaller ones, That's a little bit cheaper than the dual or the one that has the bridge. If it has a triple as well, that could be more expensive. So just the standard range or the radiant range, you're looking at about 124 bucks. All right. So again, if you're looking at 124 bucks for that part that typically go bad just from you using it. With electric ranges, man, a range is a stove. And we're going to go into that in a prior video. We're going to tell you the difference between the two. So just stay tuned. But a range, like we're starting about, which is a freestanding range, that radiant element burns out from time to time. All right, so from you using it, the more you keep it on high, the more you use it, it's electric. Boogie, woogie, woogie. It's gonna burn. It's gonna burn out. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna burn out. That's all I'm saying to you, man. It's gonna burn out. So the more you have it on high, the faster it's gonna burn out. All right. So that's the difference between gas and electric. Gas, you can put it on high as much as you want, as long as you pay the bill, you Gucci. But outside of that, elements, they burn out a lot quicker and a lot faster as well. All right. So just keep that in mind. So these are a couple parts that we're actually looking at. The heater or the broiler, you have different ones. That's 65 bucks as well. So it all depends on the price. Depends on what parts you're looking for. You do have a convection as well. That typically convection motor that goes bad on this one or makes a noise. Your convection motor, you're looking at about $81. All right. So the price is not crazy as far as getting stuff done for this particular appliance if you happen to need it. All right. So the biggest issue that I always have with Samsung joints is just getting the parts. All right. And that's the biggest issue. Right now, we're able to get all the parts that we need. So those are the couple of parts that we've discussed that typically go bad with this one. The door, of course, you can always purchase the door. That's online. But again, I just wanted to mention a couple parts so that you'll be able to know what you're getting yourself into. All right. Outside of that, we good. We holler at you. Till next time, it's me, your boy, Richie Rich. Don't forget, Consumer Appliance Report. Hit the button, swipe, subscribe, email us. Whatever you do as far as your comments, man, we make sure that we get back with you as soon as we can. And again, you help me, I help you, we help each other. Till next time, it's me. I'm out. Peace.